I kind of forgot the first bit on this side, but we're putting roof racks on. Ben is getting out the factory sealant. We'll go through this on that side when we put it in. What are they, Rhino Rack? Oh no. They Rhino Rack or are they the other one?
They're
KRS, there you go. They're tracks, that's what we're putting in. That's the back because it's not level, so the higher side goes to the outside of the car. So it sits flat. But 2 holes to the front. You're going in here. Okay, come up here. So we're putting roof racks in. Well, I didn't do a very good job of the start of the other one, and it has been raining. Wow, that is a big turd. So anyway, we've cut that track. And the other phone's up there, so we got this phone. But what we're going to do, get out of the way. I'll come round the front.
Come on, hurry up.
Who told me to hurry up? Alright, we're putting roof racks in. So you got to measure from here, the front of there, 230. Put your tape, put your mark, that's where you're going to cut it. And you measure your track, do that back, mark the back. If you whip me with that, I will kill you. Anyway, so you do that. I'll show you how to do it anyway. Let's mark it. So we measured 230 from the front bit I showed you before, from in there, not on the glass, the actual joint in between. Draw your holes, 3 of them, so it gives it an easy bend point. This front and back. It is shit? Yeah, okay. So we've done that, measured our little thingo, got our marker on the other, removing that socket, and I'm going to go either edge, then the center, I think. Oh yeah, that's nice and sharp now.
I have keys.
Yeah, that's what I was going to try and avoid doing.
Yeah, that'll do it, and then I'll cut it.
Oh, puppy. Puppy dog.
We're doing a thing.
Fuck you. I'll do your thing. No, wait up.
You grab that.
Yep, you do your snap, and I'll video you.
So push down on your holes, or just behind it. Just go back and forward, snaps the steel, only leaves the rubber. Once the rubber's left, you can either pull it and snap it.
Well, we found cutting it easier last time.
Most of it cuts, like tears out, and then trim it later to clean up your holes. Okay, oops, sorry for the finger. We're about to drill some holes, but you need to put a little stopper so you don't go through your roof lining. So put that over. It's just a long nose socket, don't care what size, just adjust your drill bit. So you only got about 6-7 mil. Yeah, call that 7 mil sticking through. This is not going to really work as a one-handed job, but we got to push this down and then drill through there. So I'm going to put this down because I care more about the car than I do the video. Okay, so I've drilled the hole. Now what you want to do is push this back down and actually put your rivet in the hole, but don't pop it. So it just basically holds it while you drill all the others all the way back, which is again a two-handed job, and I've only got one, and it's not going to be holding this camera. Okay, so we drilled through to mark them all. Well, they didn't go all the way through, but just enough to mark them. And we're just going through, popping them through. That one was already, yeah, the skin's really thin here. It's only about 2 mil, where the front's like 6. It's thick as fuck. You want me to do this?
Guide my tip.
Tips in. Okay, so we've cleaned this side out and put paint on the holes, which Ben's about to clean that side out. And then what we'll do is, once the paint's dry, put a bit of silicone around each hole, and we're using these rivets. They're blind, so when they do pull up, there's no hole through the center of them. They're the ones you should use, but they're not the ones that everyone supplies you. They supply you the shit ones. Okay, goop over your holes. Ben's just putting a, yeah, that'll be right. That'll be perfect. And then I think that'll go down, and then you can slip these in after.
Does that go?
It sits upwards.
Like that?
Yeah, so.
And under? Or
no, on top, because in there, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
But then you one first.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to get the rivet gun. Fuck! Rookie error. Alright, so we've riveted. It was starting to drizzle, so we had to get that down real quick. But that little tab, you see how it sits now, it sort of steps up from where the rivet is onto the flat, holds this down, which is never going anywhere. So, excellent.
I've got two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 5 more.
it got late fast. Roof racks are in. It was a little bit of a pain to get them, but basically that little plate's in there. That one bolts through. This bolts to the bottom plate, which then bolts up top. Same on the front. We come in about, I don't know, what's that, 8mm. There, checked it front. We measured from the front to there, or front to there. So they're the same. Back to there, the same. And there you go. KS, whatever they are, KRS roof racks. Oh, I'm going for a shit.